Very good morning, my dear friends. I hope everyone have faced this exam, and even some I have seen may not have seen your results also, waiting for your good time to come. Whatever you have faced the exam and the result has come. For those who have seen their results, who got a top ranks, or for those who are waiting for the good time to see the results, there are some students had experience in the last 10 years. So after 2 days also students have seen and finally said, sir, I have got a good rank, sir. So whatever, whether you have seen the result or whether you have not seen the result, you had faced the exam. That's the biggest strength I can say, my dear friend. Because whether you win the exam or not, facing the exam itself is an art. When you face the exam, the winning or losing becomes the same. For a winner, it is a one-day excitation. For a loser, it is a fighting spirit. For a winner, yeah, it ends a matter. Yeah, this year I have done a job. For a loser, there's a big thing is waiting for you. I've seen personally 2 toppers now. One person is Prabhu, has got some 20 plus rank in urology. Another person is Dr. Third rank holder. Immediately, the name is not striking to my mind, in urology. Both of them, their fighting spirit is so heavy. The Prabhu, especially, I can say the fighting spirit is immense. Like he was preparing since his post-graduation, the 2 years. Now he has got 20th rank. He is almost prepared for 2 years. And the person whom I am saying, the 3rd rank in urology, he is preparing for 2 years. I can say, I think, just a second, I can give his name. Sumit Mandal, yeah, Dr. Sumit Mandal. Dr. Sumit Mandal has been preparing for urology since 2 years. Now, last year he has got some in hundreds. Now he has got 2nd rank. He deserves for that. See, one thing as a super specialty aspirants who want to prove their rank again, or for a super specialty aspirants who want to give the fresh exam in 2021 or upcoming AIIMS or PGA or JIPMER, for all you people, I want to convey one thing, my dear friends. It's a perseverance, it matters. Campbell Urology is nearly 4,000 plus pages, and Bailey and Love and Submission is almost like another 3,000 to 4,000 pages. Out of the 40 questions, and this side 60 questions have been asked. So it is like an ocean. In the ocean, identification of the pearls, those 60 questions are pearls being asked in the Campbell Urology. Similarly in oncosurgery, neurosurgery, and other things also. So it is not very easy. It is not at the same time tough. From the feedback I have got from the oncosurgery aspirants, oncosurgery achievers, neurosurgery achievers, Abhishek, and my beloved urology achievers, I can say the concept has helped them enormous. That is a real happiness for me, because the concept has helped them to identify the pearls from the ocean. One person has given a message that out of 60 questions, 50 questions came directly from your concept material, sir. That's a real happiness. But where this fighting spirit comes, Dr. Prabhu, who is achiever now, and the other person named Dr. S. Mandal, yeah, Simon Mandal, rank 3. The real happiness. So never ever fix your goal, my dear friend. That's what I always tell. Give your best. God will take care of you the rest. God will take care of you the rest. There is no one called as losers in the world. There are winners, there are fighters. There are winners and there are fighters. You are a fighter. Encourage your fighting spirit, which is there in everybody's human mind. The fighting spirit is within you. The motivation is within you. Encourage that. All you fighters soon will become the winners. But one thing which I always want to tell you, when you fight, give the best. Don't worry, I should win this fight. Never ever do that, my dear friend. That kind of stress nobody wants in your life. God has given time for everyone, I can say. Everybody will get your time. These are the golden words of my dear friend and professor and my mentor and my chief, Dr. Anto sir. Dr. Professor Govindraj sir, urologist and the first transplant surgeon in Tamil Nadu Medical College, Professor Govindrajan sir, laparoscopic donor transplant surgeon in Government Medical College in Tamil Nadu. These are the words and wisdoms of my professors. Still, I remember the words from Professor Anto sir. Never run behind the money. Money is a byproduct. Win the people. Win the people. I have one lot of people. I have one lot of souls, my dear friends. Tens and tens of souls. I got a call from the person at Jammu and Kashmir. He is telling, please come to my home and stay in my home. I will take care of you, sir. For everyone in Tamil Nadu, visiting Jammu and Kashmir is a vision. I am also one among the person to go to Jammu and Kashmir. How that soul is thinking about me and want to help me. That's my vision. I have never shared that. That's not my vision. That's my happiness. So the day will come, you will rock. The bottom line, never ever fix a target, my dear friends. I can say, give the best. Give the best. Still, you may have a sick mother or sick father or some commitment in the family, or we may be personally sick because of the COVID. You might have done a wonderful job in preparation for last 1 year, but due to COVID or some personal reason, you may not be able to give the exam properly or revise properly, which is very important in the last 15 days. But the knowledge is not going to disappear, my dear friends. Already you and I, all are achievers. All are winners. And one more fight we have to do. There is no end for the fighting, my dear friends. Fighting is a ever-ending process. Fighting is a ever-ending process. Don't fight to win. When you fight, winning is the byproduct. Remember, God knows what to be given to everyone, when to be given. Because as I have the belief in God, I know that the energy of the God will be the spreading positive spirit for everyone. That's a real positivity if somebody asks. For people who doesn't have a belief, your confidence, your motivation, your positivity in general will be high. There is no comparison for them. So everyone has their own kind of thinking and decision making. Keep going with that. Come on, fighters. We will win. We will fight until we win. All the best, my dear friend. This is Dr. Antony Reshkumar, urologist, CEO, founder, president, Concept. Jai Hind.